Hi! In front of me is Nokia 6320 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, go into menu. Now find clock and open it. Then select alarm over here if it's not already on and tap on this left button to add new alarm. Then over here you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can of course set up an hour. Click save in the middle, tap on repeat and select days of the week, pick sound and even turn on or off vibrations. Lastly, label your alarm however you wish to. And tap on save by clicking on the right button. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the middle button and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, click on options by tapping on the right button and select delete. Then confirm your choice by tapping on delete over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!